The Ireland-made Stories of Irish Transport team recently uncovered and documented a unique collection of 12 Series Land Rovers. The collection included 9 Series Land Rovers from New Zealand, 1 from Australia and 2 rare Irish CKD fire tenders with a Beresford-Stork pump trailer. 20 years ago, the New Zealand and Australian Land Rovers were bought from newspaper small ads. There are several rare Land Rovers in the collection, including a 1955 Series 1 107-inch pickup, a 1982 Series 3 Stage 1 V8, and a very lovely 1951 Series 1 80-inch Basic. One by one, the entire collection was towed out into the yard. All of the Land Rovers had been in dry storage and were in excellent condition. The 3 country station wagons in the second barn had to be uncovered and their tyres pumped. The 1957 107-inch rolling chassis required all hands for some tight manoeuvring. All 12 Land Rovers in the collection were then photographed and documented.
Tilt your head a little bit, there you go.
And then we had to put them all back in the barns.
If you've been enjoying our Stories of Irish Transport, please consider subscribing via our website irelandmade.ie.